we really going to be moving our hands and typing and drawing in 10 years? Or are we just going to, have the AI do the drawings for us? I suspect that we all come back here in 10 years from now, and the world's going to look completely different. The AI is going to do the work for us. The AI just needs to know what work needs to get done, and then it'll do it agentically. So, for example, if you're doing like an urban planning project, and you're planning a shopping center or whatever, or mixed use, you put in the outcomes that you desire. Okay, you have to type those in. The outcomes, like what kind of revenue do you need? What kind of customer experience do you want? What's your energy guidelines? What's lighting, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And the AI generates the design for you. Now, I'm not just talking computational design here. We're beyond that. That's generative design. Now we're into agentic AI. What's the difference? The difference is that all these agents are going to go to work as soon as you tell it to start based on your constraints or outcome objectives. What's the work that needs to be done? Well, we actually need to look into the local building codes. We need to look into the local real estate prices. We need to look into commercial competition and see what else is going on in this area. We need to check the pulse of the community. So there's all that background information. Then we need to start building the geometry. But as we do that, we need to make sure it's physics informed. And what are those physics besides structural? Well, there's all the MEP, because the MEP is going to inform your energy outcomes and et cetera, depending on what kind of building you're building. MEP can matter a lot. There's other environmental physics factors like earthquake and flooding and wind noise and sun reflectivity. So all of this should be part of the design that's being generated, not something that you have to figure out afterwards.